Hey guys, Aubrey here. Today I am doing the Eureka Math Grade 1 Module 6 Lesson 1 homework. And this is the first lesson of Module 6. So let's get started. Read the word problem, draw a tape diagram or double tape diagram, and label. Write a number sentence and a statement that matches the story. So we're back to the RDW process, so read, draw, and label. So what we're doing is we're reading and understanding the problem. We're drawing our tape diagram or double tape diagram. So this is a double tape diagram. They've given us an example here. And we will label and write our number sentences and everything. So yeah, number 1. Fran donated 11 of her old books to the library. Darnell donated 8 of his old books to the library. How many more books did Fran donate than Darnell? So let's draw a tape diagram. So we know that Darnell donated less than Fran. So let's draw his part first. So we can draw tape diagram. And since he donated 8 books, let's just write 8. And D for Darnell. And now Fran, we don't know how, so she donated 11 books. So we know that if she donated 11, she must have donated 8 already. So we know this much is 8. But what we're trying to figure out is how many more. So this part is the how many more. So this is the part we're trying to find out. And we can write F for Fran. And we know that Fran, she donated a total of 11 books, but we only know 8, and we're trying to find out the other part. So how many more books did Fran donate than Darnell? So let's do 11 minus 8, because then we can find out how many more she donated. So let's see, we can count on from 8, or we could just do the simple subtraction. So let's do 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 3 fingers, which means 11 minus 8 is 3. So let's box that too. So now that we wrote our number sentence, let's write a statement. So Fran, she donated 3 more books than Darnell. And that's it, because we did our tape diagram and we showed how much more she brought, and we wrote that question mark to show what we're trying to figure out. Number 2, during recess, 7 students were reading books. There were 17 students playing on the playground. How many fewer students were reading books than playing on the playground? So this is also how many more students were playing on the playground than reading books. So let's see, we know that there were less students reading books, so let's first draw that. Let's write 7. We can write R for reading books. And then now we know there's 17 on the playground. Let's draw that. So we have, and let's write P for playground since they're playing on the playground. So we know that this much is 7. So then we're trying to figure out how many fewer. So it's also like how many more. So this is what we're trying to figure out. We're trying to figure out just how many more and how many fewer they're playing. So now we know the total is 17. Since there's a total of 17 kids playing on the playground, but we want to know how many fewer students are reading books. So one way we can do this is 17 minus 7, and then we can find out how many is here. So we know by our 10 facts that 17 minus 7 is 10, which means there are 10 fewer students reading books. So let's write, there are 10 fewer students reading than playing. Alright, and next page. So number 3 says Maria is 18 years old. Her brother Nikhil is 12 years old. How much older is Maria than her brother Nikhil? So let's see. We know that Nikhil is younger, so let's first draw his tape diagram. So Nikhil is 12. Let's see, so we write 12 here and N for Nikhil. And now let's draw Maria. So Maria, we know this much is 12, but we're trying to figure out how much older she is, so we have to find out what this is. M for Maria. And we know she is 18. So we're trying to figure out this section, how many more. So one way we can do this is do 18 minus 12. And we know that is 6. So that means this much is 6. So that also means Maria is 6 years older. So Maria is 6 years older. And now number 4, it rained 15 days in the month of March. It rained 19 days in April. How many more days did it rain in April than March? All right, so we're trying to figure out just how many more it rained in April than March. And we know March it rained 15 days. In April, it rained 19 days. All right, so let's see here. So March, let's draw. So M for March and 15 because it rained 15 days. And in April, it rained 19 days. So A for April. So we know this much is 15, but we want to figure out how many more. How much more? And this is a part that we do not know. All right, so let's see. We know there's a total of 19. So one way we can do this is do 19 minus 15, which is 4. So how many days did it rain more? It rained 4 days more. It rained 4 more days in April, right, than March. So that's it, because we did a tape diagram and we found our solution. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helps, and please don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps on my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!